Are you curious on how to do the road lighting design calculations? Do you know that you need to consider the traffic speed of the road before you run the calculation? Are you confused what is ME1, ME2, CE0, and S1 road classifications? To answer all these questions, join us in this online training for road lighting design, the 8-hour course to master road lighting design using Dialux Evo software. Hi, my name is Nelca Roco and I am your instructor in this course, Road Lighting Design Techniques. In this course, I will teach you the tips and tricks on how to run the lighting design calculations for road lighting. I will tell you which standards to be used, what road classifications to choose, and what luminaire to be selected. We will have hands-on tutorials on how to use the Dialux Evo software, and I will discuss the basic questions before designing the road lighting design project. So enroll now in this course to improve your knowledge and skills in road lighting design. See you in this online classroom.